the functionality that I'm going to show you right now works very good with forms. And with forms, when you're doing forms, you want to use the create method, okay? So I'm not going to copy and paste. I'm just going to select this and comment it out. And I'll show you right now how easy it is. So, and I want to show you this way because when you are creating data, there's something called a mass assignment operation that goes on. And Laravel prevents multiple records from being updated, I mean created at the same time, unless you specify it in the model. And I'm going to show you in a minute how we let Laravel know that it's okay to assign values, to create new values for multiple columns, okay? Out of the box, it would not let you do that. So unless you do what I'm about to show you in a couple seconds, it won't allow you or any application to create data in your application in multiple columns or tables. All right, so let's do this. Get, and I'm gonna call this create. Let's do the function. Let's do post, and now the method is create, like this. Now the create method is going to take an array of an associative array. So if we want to update the title, we go like this, title, and we update it, PHP, the create method or something like that. Now the content. Wow, I'm learning. Oops, you gotta escape this. Let's just do, we can escape it like this. I'm just gonna do it like this. I'm learning a lot with PHP with Edwin. Okay, let's just escape it real quick. Uh, this is the comma right there. Let's just, oops, gosh, there we go. Let's just escape it right there. All right. Wow, I'm learning a lot with Edwin Diaz. There we go. So now let's go to that create URL, and we should see something going on there. I'll show you right now. Let's just come here. Let's just take all these out and do create. Enter. Mass assignment exception. You see that? It doesn't allow you to put data in there, period, unless you let it know that it's safe to do so. So how do we do it? Well, let's go and let me show you. It doesn't even execute. It doesn't go here and do anything. Refresh. We still have the same, all right, title. And I might have a different title because I play around with my courses and the lectures before I publish them sometimes, and I might do different things. So if you see that my title and content are not the same as yours, do not worry about it. Sometimes I'll make a lecture, I make a mistake, and I redo it again. All right. So anyway, so the important thing here is that we're gonna learn how to do the mass assignment. So let's go to a post model right here, which is the one that controls the database, you know, columns and methods and all that really cool stuff that we get from the model, right? This is every time you write something here, it's gonna override what we have in the parent. So let's come here and write our protected fillable property. Right now, this fillable property is available in the model somewhere, right? But right now we're gonna assign a value to it. So right now what we're going to be doing, and actually this is an array like this. Okay, we bring it down, and now we write each key. So it's safe for the title, and it's safe for content to be updated. Okay, now if we go in and try to do this now, whoop, there we go. There we go. Enter. Voila. Now we're able to create something. So let's just go back to phpMyAdmin and refresh. And now you can see that we have a new record here, the create method. Wow, I'm learning a lot with Edwin Diaz, and we escaped that single quote, so that way we have it here, as well as our timestamps. Okay, beautiful. All right, So remember, we come here sometimes to allow certain data to be inserted into our application to create methods. So later on, we're going to talk a little bit about that. I'm not going to get into it right now, but I almost did. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this lecture, and I'll talk to you and see you in the next one. Take care.